Hey there, Tallman Clan. Welcome back. Today we are in Avondale, Arizona, just outside Phoenix. We are at Tom's Camperland. Well, it used to be Tom's Camperland. Now they're part of the Blue Compass family. We're going to do something a little different. We're going to look at two Miradas. Mirada's made by Coachmen. This is the 35OS, and the one over here is the 35ES. We're going to compare the two with you right now in one video, and we want to know which one you love the best. So let's go. We're going to start here with the 35ES. They are both built on Ford V8 chassis with a 7.3 liter. Again, this is the 35ES. As you look up, there's an awning that covers from just about to the front all the way about 2/3 back. Okay, so you have decent shaded area. As you come in here, there's a TV that is in its own cabinet, which I love. Nice storage area below. You have another storage compartment right next to that, and yet another storage compartment right after that. As we move back to this next compartment, that is where you fill your propane. And last but not least on this side, yet another storage compartment.
I love the storage.
Yep. As we move around to the back, I love the fiberglass cap on the back. Okay, you do have a ladder that goes up to the top. I believe it's an 8,000 pound towing capacity. We will confirm and make sure that we put that in the video for you. All right, and your fuel goes here. As we move around to this side, this is where a lot of your utilities are. Your sewer flush and sewer connection is there. Your power is here. Your generator is there. Oh, by the way, let's not forget frameless windows. Love the frameless windows.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Actually, here's your water bay and another sewer connection port. Okay. Storage compartment there. Storage compartment here, which is a full pass-through to the other side.
Wow.
Which is unique to have a full pass-through.
And through, no, it's not quite full pass-through.
Yep.
But wow.
And then this is a utility access here to just work on stuff. So that's the outside of the 35 SE. Let's go on the inside. As we walk up the stairs into the 35 SE, you see there is your batteries.
Nice.
All right, so as we come up into here, remember again, Ford chassis. We'll show you the cockpit. Very standard cockpit for the Miradas. They all look the same, very sleek looking. Nice chairs that swivel around, very comfortable. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, we'll link up top so that you can see us sitting there. I'm not going to sit in there since we're combining the two. Up above, you do have a hide-a-bed, so this actually just pulls down like so. There you go. And there's an extra bed for you. Okay, love that. All right, to my right now, you have your dinette, traditional dinette, meaning just bench seats with storage underneath. You can actually pull out, which is great. And then this does fold down and you can convert this to a bed. Beyond this is your sofa. And this is actually very comfortable. There are seat belts in both the dinette and the sofa, so you can legally carry people sitting here. Above, we do have storage, cabinets, okay? And across from us is the TV, which we'll just show you here now, and a fireplace, not a fire, but a fireplace. Fire! And there's some cabinets up above. So again, 35 SE. Well, there's not a lot of storage in there, but there's a control panel, okay? Mm-hmm. Then we have like a little galley style kitchen, which is sort of right here at the front door. Mm-hmm. You do have a little flip up to give you a little bit of extra countertop space.
Yes, I love that. So these are solid surface. We have a nice stainless single basin sink with a tall faucet. Decent countertop space, especially when you add in the extra little piece over there. We do have our 3-burner stove.
Residential appliances.
Yeah. So above that, we've got our microwave, and we have tons of cabinetry. So there's cabinetry above the microwave.
There's cabinet there.
Right.
One above the door as well.
Right.
Yeah.
And then we have storage drawers here. Lots of storage.
These are like the first time these drawers are opening, so they're a little stiff.
And some cabinetry.
And it goes in there a little bit. Yeah, it's nice.
Right. Some more cabinetry there, and
a drawer underneath.
The stove. Yeah. And then we've got our microwave.
Microwave. I mean, that is a big microwave.
That is a huge microwave.
What are we microwaving in there, Lisa?
Oh my goodness, we're microwaving all kinds of frozen things. Let me tell you.
All right, so a nice big refrigerator. That's a GE residential. Again, we showed you the TV and the fireplace. But look at this. You've got bunks over here. All right, look at this. Bunks over here. One on the top, one on the bottom. And your master is right there, so we'll show you that in a minute. But if you don't want to use this as a bunk, as you can see, this pulls up, right, like this. And you can have some big storage in here.
Yeah, or maybe use that as a desk.
Yeah, yeah, you could use it as a desk. It is very versatile space.
Yeah.
You've got the kids, it's a bunk, which by the way, there's doors here. They're locked right now, but you see there's sort of barn style doors. Actually here, we'll just unlock it. There you go, barn style door.
Very nice.
That's nice, to give that a little privacy.
Yeah.
Okay, behind Lisa there's a door, let's check that out. Oh, you know what time it is?
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
Again, remember, use my height as reference. I'm 6'4". This is a porcelain foot flush toilet, and at my height, there is plenty of leg and shoulder room in here. So if you are a big person like I am, this is going to be very comfortable to you. To my right is the sink and countertop vanity, if you will. It's also stainless steel, generous countertop space. Nice, big underneath storage there on the vanity. Up
Sorry
above,
to start, guys.
you got your medicine cabinet. It's the first one we've seen with a medicine cabinet,
Yeah,
right?
I think so.
Height's great. I can see my entire self, as you can see. Here, buddy. All right, so let's get into the master. A couple but I'm in a half bath, right? So the main bath is in the back.
Nice.
Right? So this is brand new. It's just got here. They haven't even made it up yet. So everything's still folded. But I want to fold this down so we can get a measurement for you guys. All right, so this is 70. It is 70 by 76. So again, it's an RV King, but a special RV King because this has to fold up to give this space when the slide comes in. So you will have to have mattresses specially made. Okay. Above the bed area is your coach PAP station. If you don't know what that is you put your CPAPs up there, plug them in. There's a hole in the back that comes down through this compartment right here, and so your hoses with the mask can come down through there. So the CPAPs are hidden. You also have a cabinet left and right. There is USB charging ports right here, so you can plug your phones in and charge them at night. And I believe there's also, oh no, that's a light switch. I thought it was 110 power. Okay. There are some drawers underneath this bed, Lisa.
Oh, very nice.
So extra storage.
Yeah.
Right across from us is, right, a couple of drawers here. And then above there is a TV. And there's some hidden storage back there too.
Very nice.
Now over here in this cabinet would be your, where your washer and dryer hookup would be. If you're not using it as a washer and dryer, this is where your hanging clothes will be. I will tell you this. If you're putting a washer and dryer in here and you have kids and you're using the bunks, finding a place to hang your clothes is going to be very tight, very tough, because that is it. That's your only hanging area is here and in the bunk area. So if you're using the bunks as bunks and you have a washer and dryer, you're going to find it challenging to hang clothes in here. So it would be my suggestion that you do a washer dryer combo down in the bottom, and then you can put your hanging clothes above. So that would be my sort of advice. I didn't cover this, but there is obviously some cabinetry up above. So then we get into the full bath back here. This toilet has got no challenges for the big people in the world. Plenty of leg room, plenty of width, and so definitely comfortable. Right, to my right, there is cabinetry here. You can't use it as hanging space because there's no hanging bar, it's just shelves. So you can put all your linens and things in there, which is great. Above the toilet, there's another cabinet up here. It's shallow, but you can put things up there. That would be my medicine cabinet area because there's no, that's just mounted flush to the wall. Okay, decent sized countertop and sink. It is stainless. You've got some drawers here. Suppose you could put some of your medicines in there too. And then you've got storage underneath. Okay, and then this is a really decent sized shower, Lisa.
It sure is.
Look
at that.
This is the first decent sized shower that we've seen.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Absolutely. So as you can see, there's a couple shelves. There's a shelf for me and a shelf for Lisa. The shower head is not too bad for a tall person. And the shower door is tall enough. Height-wise, as you can see, I'm not in the bubble. I could be every bit of 6'9", okay? So definitely a great shower. So that, again, this is the 35 SE. Let's go look at the other one and compare the two. And we want to know which one you like the best. Again, Correction, 35ES. So we've just seen the 35ES. We're now going to look at the 35OS. Remember, Ford V8 chassis. On the passenger side, as you can see, there is a full slide here, guys. It's the first one we've seen with this. Okay, there's an awning that is on this slide that goes the whole length. Beneath, there's a storage cabinet number 1, propane in cabinet 2. Up above, there's a TV here. Okay, also frameless windows. We get into cabinet 3, which is storage. Okay, further back. Cabinet, what are we, 4 now? Storage. Cabinet 5, storage. So there is lots of storage in this model. We get around to the back, getting your fiberglass cap on the back, which looks great. Your ladder's there, your backup camera's there, towing hitch for towing. Again, I believe it's 8,000 pounds. We come over here, more storage on this side right here. This is your electric in this next cabinet. I obviously can't open it all the way up, but trust me, that's your electric, okay? Your next is your water bay, okay? Propane, generator, my bad. Your generator. Next cabinet, big storage. And then utility access. Now, if you haven't been paying attention, there's a slide on this side. So we have a full slide on one side and a big slide on this side. Let's go take a look inside and take a peek. Wow, when was the last time we saw opposing slides in an RV at this price point?
That I'm not sure we ever have.
Yeah.
This just really opens this up so much.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll just start up front again, y'all. Again, same V8 chassis, Ford chassis. Cockpit looks exactly the same as the rest of them we've been looking at. Above the cockpit, we have our hide-a-bed, right? So there you go. Oh God, it's tied up there still. Sorry about that, y'all. But there's your hide-a-bed. You have a big TV right here with a sofa beneath it, and you have your seat belts, so you can sit here when you drive. On the other side is a couple of theater chairs. And so you're sitting across from that big TV, which again, seat belts, so you can sit here. These are fully electric, and they're actually pretty comfortable, Lisa.
Very nice.
Okay. I love the space.
Yes.
Cabinetry above the door, above the theater chairs. Lots of cabinetry. Okay.
Right, very nice.
Above the dinette, we have cabinetry above that. By the way, we haven't talked about it. I love the lighting here.
Yeah, that's nice.
You do have a traditional dinette with also seat belts. What I mean by traditional, again, this lowers down. You can convert that into a bed and storage underneath.
Very nice.
And then across from a fireplace. Let's not forget that, Lisa.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to stick that somewhere. They put it on the wall. It's going to be hard to warm those freakishly tiny cold feet of yours up there, but
yeah,
you can warm everything else, I guess.
I guess I can warm everything
Yeah.
else.
All right. Let's check out this kitchen. What do we got going on in here?
Okay, so we have this this is solid surface countertops. We have a nice single basin stainless sink with a tall faucet. Behind that we have some large cabinetry,
nice.
Lots of places to hold all those dishes. We have a residential microwave.
Yeah.
We have a 3-burner stove and an oven. There are storage drawers on each side of the sink, as well as cabinetry underneath the
That's
sink.
decent cabinet under there.
Yeah, it is. And then to my right, we have a refrigerator freezer.
Nice.
And that looks like that is a 12-volt.
Yes.
Very nice.
All right, and then across from that is, well, oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tom's Toilet Test.
Gotta remember, 6'4", use my height as reference. As I'm sitting on this porcelain foot flush wood, as you can see, there are no challenges for the tall people in the world. Definitely. To my right is your countertop and sink. I love the elongated countertop so you have extra space for your lotions and potions and things. There's some cabinet storage underneath. It's a little shallow, but you can still put some things underneath there. There's a couple cubbies back here, okay? And then as you can see, there's some storage over here. I'd put the linens in there maybe, or above it. I don't know, maybe above it. Okay, and then there's no real medicine cabinet. This is just mounted square to the wall. And then we get into the shower. Okay, So we got our little grab bar thingy again. What do y'all think that is? I don't know. Leave a comment below. Let us know which model you like and let us know what you think that is. Okay, so it's definitely skinny. So I'm a little tight. If you can see, Lisa, both of my arms are touching. One arm is touching the wall and the other arm is touching the glass. I'm not pushing it against it. I'm just standing normal. So it's going to be awkward in here for a big person taking a shower. All right. You're going to want to come check this out if you like this particular floor plan. So as we move further into the back, into the master, this is where your washer and dryer would go if you want to install a washer dryer. If not, the shelves are adjustable. Love that. Okay. As we get into the bed, let's get a measurement on this.
All right.
I'm guessing it's the same as the other. 72 by 74. It's hard to get. This mattress is a little bit curved, but we'll call it 72 by 74, RV King. This has the CoachPap station. If you don't know what that is, again, we talked about it just early in the video. CPAPs go up in that cabinet. There's power. The hoses come down that opening that is right there. It's just covered right now, and you can use them from there, so it's hidden. There is hanging storage left and right, and another cabinet as well. Okay. There is power and USB charging ports down here next to the nightstand, and the same on the other side. Directly across from the bed is your wardrobe area and TV. So decent sized TV. It's not too big, not too small. Some hidden storage behind here. You've got a nice sort of desktop area. It's not really a desk, but some drawers underneath. Obviously there's a shade there. Could put that up to give us some more light. Oh, all your linens are hidden in here right now. But that's your hanging closet. And you have 4 drawers down here. There you go.
Very nice.
So there you go. What do you think? Are we liking the 35OS or the 35ES? Leave a comment below. We wanted to share them both with you. They're side by side here at the lot. Honestly, for us, we will tell you, at least for me, I like the openness of this opposing slide. However, the shower is a challenge for me. I would rather have the shower from the other one. So, can we combine the two?
That would be nice, yeah.
Can we buy both of them and take showers in that one and hang out in this one? Yeah, see, look, I love opposing slides, guys. Look at how much space is in here.
Yeah.
All right, well, we hope you liked this particular video, looking at both RVs at the same time for you, just comparing them. One more time, let us know below. If this is the first time you're finding our videos, do us a favor, hit this, the thumbs up button, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. We would really appreciate it, and it does help out the channel. It's free, it costs you nothing. As far as the Tall Man Clan goes, God bless you guys. We really do appreciate you. And until we see you all again, be safe.